While a great product creates a brand, the relentless cycle of repeating office tasks is what sustains the business. When these administrative duties are handled manually, three things happen. Your team loses hours to manual data entry, compliance risks hide in plain sight, and you lose your real-time view of the company's financial health. To solve this administrative fragmentation, businesses use a cloud-based enterprise resource planning, or ERP, platform. This is a central system that connects isolated departments like finance, inventory, and customer relations into one unified hub. Within that hub, Zoho Books acts as the central financial nervous system. It is explicitly designed to unite all those disjointed financial operations into a single automated ecosystem. Surviving the business lifecycle does not require working harder or longer. It requires automating the three critical repeating cycles that actually keep the company alive. The first vital engine is procure to pay, or P2P. This process dictates exactly how your business safely spends its money. This outlines the 5-step procure-to-pay workflow. Instead of scattered emails, Zoho automates vendor onboarding and purchase order approvals. Looking at steps 4 and 5, it matches incoming invoices to those orders and schedules payments, removing human error entirely. Once you have secured your supplies, you shift to the second critical cycle, order to cash, or O2C. This is the core engine for making and collecting money. Here is the order-to-cash process mapped out, tracking the journey from initial order placement through automatic generation of sales orders and invoices. In steps 4 and 5, the system triggers payment reminders and updates inventory when sales clear. If those sales happen globally, the built-in multi-currency feature automatically pulls live exchange rates. This bypasses the need to do manual, off-platform currency calculations before closing a deal. By automating the rigid steps of both purchasing and selling, the system completely eliminates the administrative bottleneck that usually stands between a growing company and its actual cash flow. With money moving in and out, you need to maintain the third engine, hire to retire, or H2R, which manages your internal workforce. This list details the 5 steps of the hire to retire process. Time tracking, expense approvals, and payroll data bypass manual entry entirely and integrate directly into your central accounting ledger. Protecting all 3 of these operational engines requires an underlying security framework, starting with the strict necessity of bank reconciliation. This section outlines the bank reconciliation tool. It follows a 4-step process to automatically match your internal books with actual bank statements, guaranteeing absolute ledger accuracy. Beyond bank statements, the platform includes built-in audit features. Think of this system as a relentless digital auditor, constantly operating in the hidden background of your daily operations. Looking at this list of audit types, we can see the specific checks the system performs. It automatically flags duplicate invoice numbers and catches unauthorized employee expenses long before they are paid. With these internal management and safeguarding tools run automatically, business leaders no longer have to manually police their own company's financial operations. Feeding your buying, selling, and managing engines into one unified system produces a specific reward: instantly accessible, frictionless data. This overview shows the primary dashboard metrics. It functions as a real-time financial health monitor, instantly calculating total receivables, cash flow, and top expenses without a single manual report generation. For deeper analysis, this section details financial statement versions, or FSVs. You can instantly generate customized reports like your profit and loss and cash flow statements on demand. Where manual administration once forced employees to act as human calculators, these connected systems now provide immediate strategic oversight. Simplifying office work isn't about isolated digital tools. It is about deep integration, where the administrative burden recedes and no longer dictates the pace of the company's growth. Let's look at 2 fresh graduates, Rahul and Rohan. They just walked across the same stage, holding the same commerce degree, and they earned identical marks on their final exams. Over the last few years, they both sat in the same classrooms and memorized the same principles. They know the rules of debits, credits, and accounting theory inside and out. Yet today, Rahul commutes an hour each way to a local office. He spends his day manually entering data from physical paper files, and he feels stuck in his role. Rohan, on the other hand, is working from his living room sofa. He sets his own hours and manages the books for small businesses located on the other side of the planet. If Rahul and Rohan have the exact same education, why is Rohan earning more while enjoying total freedom in where he works? A traditional degree provides the rules of accounting, but to work in a digital economy, you need the specific software tools that put those rules into practice. The reality for many graduates is that textbook accounting is very different from the practical skills employers look for during interviews. Rahul tried to bridge this gap by learning traditional, desktop-based software. But because that software is installed on a single computer, he is tied to local, conventional businesses. Rohan chose a different path. He decided to learn Zoho Books, turning his academic degree into a modern skill that businesses actually use. Look at this curriculum guide. Under the Purpose of Learning Zoho Books section, we see the exact tasks companies need help with every day. They need professionals who can handle real invoicing, live bank reconciliation, and accurate GST filing. Understanding the theory makes you a great student. Mastering practical software tools like Zoho Books makes you a professional that companies want to hire. The core difference between these tools is where the data lives. Traditional software is installed on a specific hard drive in a specific building. Zoho Books operates entirely in the cloud. Working in the cloud means the software lives on the internet. As long as you have a laptop and a connection, you can serve any client anywhere in the world. This creates an immediate advantage in the job market. Most candidates only know traditional desktop software, which makes that local market incredibly crowded. Meanwhile, Zoho Books is popular with small and medium businesses globally because it is cost-effective and easy to manage. This means there are fewer trained professionals competing for a growing number of available jobs. And once you grasp the logic of cloud accounting through Zoho Books, learning other global platforms like QuickBooks or Xero becomes very simple. Switching to the cloud changes your workflow, and more importantly, it broadens the circle of clients you can work for. We can see the financial difference in the salary guide. The first row shows the typical path for an entry-level accounts executive in India, bringing in around 1.8 to 3 lakhs per year. Rohan's path leads to higher earnings. By combining his accounting knowledge with the technical skill to set up Zoho software, an implementation consultant can earn between 4 and 8 lakhs per year. This table also highlights remote work rates for serving international clients. In the United States, remote bookkeepers average $19 to $24 an hour. You are earning in dollars while living in your home country. When you pair your existing accounting knowledge with Zoho Books and clear communication, you reach a level of income that outpaces traditional local salaries. This skill creates access to many different career paths. Work as an in-house accountant, run a remote freelance business, act as a consultant, or an international virtual assistant. This shift is a long-term change. Governments are now mandating digital compliance, e-invoicing, and GST tracking, which makes cloud accounting a baseline requirement for businesses. Because of these changes, cloud software skills are the standard expectation for finance professionals over the next decade. It's time to stop relying on only your degree and start building the hands-on skills that connect you to the global market. You've spent years learning the theory. Now take the final step toward your professional career and start your Zoho Books training with Tatva today.